Good day, class. This is Paul Bennett, and this is my PM692 Unit 5 video discussion. I'm going to be talking about various aspects and components of risk management. First of mention is the risk register and why it's used. It's a tool that is utilized to track and monitor any identified risks that may actually impact the project, and it's an essential part of the risk management process. It feeds into project risk control, which is the process of implementing risk response plans, tracking identified risks, monitoring residual risks, identifying new risks, and evaluating risk process effectiveness throughout the entirety of the project. All these efforts are important as they improve efficiency and optimize all the risk responses that are available to the project team. So risk assessment chart is utilized after risks have been identified and analyzed, and feeds into the risk mitigation matrix, which is a tool which increases visibility of risks based on multiplying the likelihood that that event may occur by the impact that particular event will have on the organization. The probability and impact matrix is a chart that's created to illustrate the relationship between probability and impacts for risks in the project. So for my specific team, we decided to utilize Mulcahy's standard rating system to determine the weight and the significance of each risk or compromising element throughout the performance of the project. And so project managers are often faced with reducing subjectivity to come to a consensus. And there are a couple points that I gleaned from my research, which are to carefully observe for bias. And sometimes bias is a source of a lack of consensus among the team members. You should make sure to listen and not judge quickly when doing this, and seek comprehension primarily. Next point is to conduct open conversations. Next is to seek to use quantitative methods as opposed to qualitative, and then clearly define terms when qualitative methods are used, such as defining ranges for the probability and impact scale. And this is my post. Thank you.